Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new medicine, Natrum Muriaticum. So Natrum Muriaticum is one of the most important remedies and a great polycrest. So we must know its symptoms. So in this video I am going to discuss about the physical generals of Natrum Muriaticum through a mnemonic, and it's quite large medicine. So mnemonic is also large. Just keep with it. Okay. So the common name of Natrum muriaticum is chloride of sodium. Okay, chloride of sodium is the common name of Natrum muriaticum. Then we have the thermal. Thermal is hot. Natrum muriaticum patient is hot because it tilts somewhat towards psychosis, miasm, psychotic miasm. So let's start with the mnemonic. Here it is. Just slim, dog, like dog, that's like slum dog millionaire, so you can remember slim dog. Slim dog, they do three things. Okay, first they smashed egg with hammer. Okay, they smashed egg with hammer, which caused everything to become greasy. Yeah, so first is this. Second thing they do is they ate deep water fish with salt that disturbed their mouth. Okay, you will get to know what I am writing, what it's all about. And then third thing they do is they drink SDS shake, which caused fever, cold and cough. Fever, cold and cough. So this is the mnemonic. Just try to keep up with it. So the words you have to remember are this: slim, dog, hammer, egg, greasy, deep water, fish, salt, mouth. SDS shake, fever, cold and cough. So these are the words that you basically have to remember, and I am putting numbers on them so it is easier. And in total there are 14 points that we have to remember this. Okay, so first of all let's start with the slim. So slim, like a slim person. So there is a symptom of typical chlorosis. There is emaciation, and emaciation is above downwards, which is quite opposite than that of abrotanum. Okay, so here I'm drawing up just a picture to show you the idea of the order of emaciation. Above downwards means the collar bones are prominent. Okay, and the lower limbs or the hips are plump. So just try to imagine a person with upper limb emaciated and lower limb plump. That is a typical situation of a Natrum muriaticum patient, which are mostly females. It is a female remedy predominantly. So there is anemia, and Natrum mule restores the pink complexion. When there is a pale complexion in several diseases, and when the picture is suitable, then if you give Natrum muriaticum, it will restore the pink complexion. So here I drew the pink complexion. Right, now we have dog. So this is DOGH. Now D is for diabetes, O is for Addison's disease. You know it's A. Addison's disease starts with A, but it's starting with O here. So G is for goiter and H is for hyperthyroidism. So these four situations are mostly seen in Natrum muriaticum as per Dr. Kent. Now, starting with our first point, smashed egg with hammer, which caused everything to become greasy. So now discharges are thick like white of an egg. So that reminds us of egg. Okay, discharges are like white of an egg. Then hammer is for headache. Little hammers in head on beginning to move. Just when a person is beginning to move, they realize that the headache is so severe, it's like thousands of hammer in the head. Then the duration is 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., which means sunset to sunrise, like from dawn to evening. Then we have greasy. So the skin all over is shiny, pale, waxy, and it looks like as if greased. So here comes the word greasy. Smashed egg with hammer, which caused everything to become greasy. Egg, hammer, greasy. These are the three terms that you have to remember. Now coming with the second point. So let's start with the salt. So in the body there is a deficiency of salt, and hence there is a starving for salt, or the typical symptom that is craving for salt that is seen in Natrum Muriaticum patient. Now we have mouth. Okay, so there are eruptions around mouth and vesicles like pearls on lips. So the vesicles on lips are, they look like pearl, and there are deep cracks in middle of lower lip. So here I am drawing a picture of lip, and there is a deep crack in the middle of lower lip here. Okay, just remember it. And the tongue is mapped, and there is a sensation of hair on tongue. So this is about mouth, symptoms regarding mouth of Natrum Muriaticum. Then we have sixth point, which is deep. So the medicine is Natrum Mur is deep acting, long acting remedy, deep. Okay, then we have water. Seventh point is water. So there is a thirst for cold water, thirst for cold water. And the last one is the fish. So there is a fish bone sensation in throat, sticking sensation or fish bone sensation in throat. So the other medicines that have the same sensation, so I'll just show you the paper here. You can take a screenshot if that's clear, or I will share this picture on my Facebook page. You can get it from there. So these are the 4 medicines with the fishbone sensation in them. Okay, so now lastly we have the third point. They drink SDS shake. So shake, no, first we have to do SDS. So this is a urinary complaint. There is sensation, that unfinished sensation, that bladder is not completely empty. So obviously there is dribbling, and the patient can pass urine when someone is present in the same room. Okay, this is very typical of Natrum Mur, that the patient cannot pass urine when someone else is present in that room. And for shake particularly means the hurts, pulsations, shake the whole body, shake the whole body. Then we have which caused fever, cold and cough. So there is a intermittent fever, but one thing you should remember is not to give Natrum Mur during a fever paroxysm. Okay, never do that. And now we have a cold. Okay, so Natrum Muriaticum is infallible or very good remedy for stopping a cold commencing with sneezing. Okay, yeah, he right, achoo. So a cold commencing with sneezing, we can use 38 potency of Natrum Muriaticum. And last symptom we have cough from a tickling in pit of stomach. Cough from tickling in the pit of stomach. This is about cough, which is accompanied, this symptom is accompanied by stitches in liver and spurting of urine.